The vision for this program, when we designed it, was really to develop leaders that are going to be at the intersect between healthcare and business in order to meet the challenges of this fast evolving industry that is healthcare. At TELFER, we have over 45 years of experience teaching masters in health administration. 45 years, the oldest program in Canada that focuses on health administration. There's absolutely no question that the next 20 years, there will be an increasing need for executives in the healthcare industry. I think what this program provides is the flexibility to get the learning that they need to take their organization to the next level.
Virtual learning gives us that ability to use platforms in a synchronous and asynchronous way. It allows us to engage and actually have students that we never would have had before because we can be flexible and adaptable to very complex schedules.
Some of the advantages of online delivery for leaders in the healthcare sector include the fact that you can review the material several times. In a face-to-face class, the prof is at the front, and when it's finished, it's finished. But here, the material lives forever on the system. You can always review it. Secondly, you have the opportunity to work with others in the cohort. You can connect one-on-one, you can connect in small groups, and again, the material is always there that you can review and work with your colleagues.
A lot of the students in the master's programs are either early or mid-career. You've got people that are either fully ingrained in a work environment or have a work-home balance and school environment that the virtual platform gives a great opportunity to give them more flexibility in terms of how they keep up with their work, their activities of daily living, whether they've got kids or not, and getting their education.
Being able to do things online provides a huge amount of flexibility. Certainly for the individual, it allows you to have the important flexibility of continuing to be able to work, continuing with your life pursuits, and thus being able to integrate those learnings into your work. But it also provides flexibility for the content and the education itself. Online-based content can often be more agile, it can evolve more quickly as the times change, so it makes it ideally situated to deal with a fast-paced or quickly changing environment such as healthcare.
I've thought a lot about online delivery, and I think online delivery really provides an opportunity to create a really diverse pool of students who have the opportunity to interact, to network, to learn from each other, to learn from different contexts, and to bring some of the lessons from other jurisdictions to the classroom and ultimately into the ideas that shape the healthcare system of the future.
The great thing about a program like TELFER is it brings people together to create learning at a postgraduate level of the health system and all its dynamics and pieces and interrelatedness and challenges that can then engage people from treating a person or a patient at a time to thinking of systems that come together to treat groups of people over longer periods of time.
To be able to work amongst and learn amongst those that maybe don't take care of the same type of patients I take care of, that's a tremendous opportunity because I can learn so much from others.
Students get the opportunity to learn from experienced professors and researchers in diverse areas and related to healthcare management, as well as they get the chance to network and collaborate with peers who have also different backgrounds and come from different working environments.
Pursuing and advancing healthcare education for any leader is really critical. And I think the main reason is this industry never sits stable. It continues to evolve.
On top of being able to develop the skills that you need to be an effective leader, I think being able to address the many blind spots that we have coming into healthcare is hugely important. As a clinician who might not have a background in technology or have a business acumen, being able to come into an environment where you can hone those skills and understand how they apply to executive education or being a leader is something that I can effectively do.
Advanced education for established leaders really allows them to go from good to great. And I think that's really important in a time where change leadership is probably one of the skills that is in most need in the healthcare system today.
This mode of delivery is really tailor-made for an executive that is currently in healthcare. I would really encourage you to sign up for these programs as it will take you and your career to the next level.